What is up, guys? It is your boy Dominic from MDP Auto, and in today's video, those white pieces that used to be on the Miata are off today. Why, you might ask? They are getting shipped to paint. I'm so excited. This has been a long awaited for a minute now. I've been having these pieces just sitting on the car, test fitting them over and over, trimming and test fit again. It's been a pain in my ass, but the guy's coming here any minute. He's gonna come by, pick these pieces up, and I cannot wait to see the final product. So hopefully the turnaround is going to be really quick. Hopefully it's going to be a couple days. Worst case, I think he said it might be a week, possibly, depending how busy he is. But hopefully by next week we'll have some new painted body kit pieces. For you guys, it's going to be a second, but for me, it's going to be what feels like an eternity for these parts to come back. So hope you guys enjoy. And here's the last of it. Can't wait. All right, guys, 6 days. It's been a long 6 days, but finally the pieces are in, and I'm so excited to show you guys these because these came out a lot better than I thought they would. Like, just look at these things, man. They're just gems. These things came out so perfect. This man got it spot on. Jeez, so excited. Can't wait to put these things on. You're gonna have to wait till probably the weekend to play with them a little more. It's getting a little late, but my heart's pumping. I'm so excited right now, dude.
Big moves.
These big moves. I'm so fucking pumped.
Should we give him a little tease of like putting it on, just like up to the car?
Should we? Sheesh, buddy. Dude, these things came out minty. Really trying not to scratch them, but you guys can actually see. Hopefully you guys can see it on the camera. Zoom in real quick. If it hits that light just right, you got that light sparkle in there, the OEM sparkle. Jeez, my man outdid himself on these. Jeez, whew. The bumper, insane.